In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your birthday on LinkedIn, a simple yet effective way to make your profile feel a bit more personal. We all know LinkedIn isn't just about professional updates, but also about building connections. Showing your birthday can add a personal touch, possibly leading to those friendly network interactions. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll need to go to linkedin.com. This is the starting point for accessing your account, so make sure you're on the official website to keep your details secure. Once you're there, depending on what's most convenient for you, you can either sign in with Google, Microsoft, or simply use your email address and password. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, which is highly recommended for your online security, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account with a code sent to your phone. Just follow the prompts to complete the login process. Once you're logged in and looking at the home page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find your avatar picture. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select View Profile. This is where all the magic happens, as it's your personal corner of LinkedIn. With your profile page open, you'll want to locate the Add Profile section button, which usually sits just beneath your profile picture. Clicking on this will present you with various categories. Scroll down to find the additional section and click on Add Contact Info. This area is integral to managing your personal information on LinkedIn. In the Contact Info section, look out for where you can input your birthday. LinkedIn allows you to share just the month and day of your birth, keeping things professional while still adding a dash of personality to your profile. Proceed to input these details correctly. It's always a good idea to double check to ensure everything is accurate before moving on. Finally, after you've entered your birthday details, the last crucial step is to click on the Save button. This ensures that all the changes you've made are updated on your profile. With these steps completed, your birthday is now part of your LinkedIn profile. Remember, while sharing personal information online, it's important to balance openness with privacy. Keep in mind the type of information you're comfortable sharing in a professional setting. Adding your birthday can make you feel more approachable, but ensure it aligns with your privacy preferences. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to personalize your LinkedIn profile. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.